What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a couple of cool techniques that you can do to get a job without a college degree that's going to pay over $100,000 every year. With technology evolving, AI, and everything evolving, college industries just can't keep up. Especially nowadays with, all the technology, like I said, it's really hard for these industries at college to just keep up with all the information. And that's why Google, Facebook, and a lot of these tech companies are offering people now courses in order to get a job in their industry. And these jobs like cybersecurity and Google certificates are gonna allow you to get hired by Google, Facebook, and you're gonna be able to work remotely and make over $100,000 every year working remotely without any college degree needed. If you're interested in this, I'm gonna have the courses in the link down below. Course called 𝗂𝘂𝗲, and it's certified by Google for people that are trying to get hired by Google, or they're actually trying to make it like a lead course. That way, if big companies are looking to hire people, Google is certified in this certain type of category, and that way you can get qualified to get hired in that tech job like cybersecurity. Google, Facebook, they have a ton of courses for you. I'm going to have them in the link down below. I'm also going to show you exactly what I mean on the computer and the 5 jobs that I recommend you to check out if you're trying to work remotely, trying to change your career, make online money, and work from home as well. So let's get started. So behind me here, I have 𝗂𝘂𝗲, and what I like about it the most is that it's made by the big companies that will hire you, like Microsoft, Facebook, Google, and also with these big companies that are giving you certificates, they're hiring you, and also the other big companies will hire you because you have this huge, big standard certificate. And what I like about this is that this is not one of those YouTube videos that a lot of people make saying, you can make this amount of money, and it's all a bunch of lies. This is real and legit, and you can even see on LinkedIn that people are getting hired for these type of jobs when they put the certificate in their LinkedIn bio, and then companies come out and reach out to them, hiring them and giving them an offer for a position. So this stuff actually works, and if you're trying to get a job, an online job, trying to switch careers, anything like that, this is a thing for you. So let me show you guys a little bit more about it. Right in front of me here, we have Microsoft Security. This is a beginner's level. It does take 6 months at 10 hours to complete the course, but you can do as much as you want for this course. You can do 40 hours a week. You can get really serious. If you do 40 hours a week, you can finish the course in 2 months. And this is a career that can change your life. So, getting cybersecurity is a big thing. It gives you a lot of leverage for your resume, and it helps if you're trying to look for another job in the future. So with this course with Microsoft, you can get hired by Microsoft for cybersecurity. And if you're serious with it, you can finish the course in 2 months, 3 months, and this can change your life. And it shows you here that you can be making on average, the person is making over $100,000 every year. Minimum salary on average is $119 every year. There's 147,000 job openings in cybersecurity. This is just one of the many courses that 𝗂𝘂𝗲 has to offer. And what I like about it is that they offer you a 7-day full free trial to see if you're interested in it. And if you want to make the career change and you want to take the course, Microsoft is one of the best ones that I recommend. This is why I'm saying this one first, because I really think it's a really good one. And this one just came out recently. Another one we have is Google certificate for cybersecurity. This one, you can see people are rating it a 4.9 or has over 10,000 reviews. 6 months at 7 hours a week. 7 hours a week, honestly, is 1 hour a day. You can get really serious with this, spend 8 hours a day, 5 hours. You can finish this course probably in a month if you really try to. And you can go down here to see the minimum pay. On average, people are making over $100,000 with this certificate, and you can see 75% agreeing that this helped them with their career outcome. How many job openings for this? 213,000. And like I said, there's a 7-day full access free trial for this as well. And for all of the Coursera certificates and courses, there's always a 7-day free trial for it. So another one that I recommend you to check out is the Meta Front-End Developer Professional Certificate. What I like about this also is that you don't need that much time to finish it. 6 hours a week. Yes, you can finish it probably 2 to 3 months, but like I said, these courses that I'm giving you is great to, like, if you're trying to make online money, you're trying to work remotely, you're trying to switch a career, these things are amazing. And what's cool about this is that you can work remotely from your home, be making over $100,000, finish the certificate within 2 months to 3 months. The courses are not expensive on Coursera. They're very, very affordable, and they charge monthly for it. And yeah, you can get certified for this, get hired by these courses. I'm gonna show you later on how people are getting hired on LinkedIn for these courses and how real these courses are, because these are being certified by the big main companies that are hiring you for it. So this is the website here, and they just have a bunch of courses for you. One course that I don't recommend you to be doing, I don't recommend this at all, is digital marketing or e-commerce certificates. These are certificates that are kind of oversaturated. Digital marketing is very oversaturated. You're not going to be getting paid as much. More easier for people to be doing this type of job, especially with AI rolling out. You're trying to find jobs that are more tech savvy and are not going to be replaced with AI as much, because digital marketing is going to be replaced, I believe, with AI, and years to come it's going to be harder and harder to get a job with it. I would stick out. I would not do digital marketing or e-commerce certificates, anything like this. Instead, look for some cybersecurity front-end developer professional certificate from Meta. You can do a Python course as well. And this is also a very cool one, AWS by Amazon Cloud Solutions. Here, they don't have the price, but you know, the cloud is always growing with Amazon Web Services, and Amazon is the leading company for the cloud web services. Believe it or not a lot of people know about this, but for me, selling on Amazon, I know that AWS is one of the lead cloud solutions, and that's how they make most of their money, Amazon. That's just something new that not a lot of people know. These are the courses that I recommend you to be getting into. If you want to get into these courses, I'm going to have each of them in the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. These are the courses that I recommend you to check out to make some online money, to be working remotely and changing your career. Let's say you're tired of your job, you can't do it anymore, you want to work from your home. I really recommend you to check these out. Do the certificate, get really serious about it, do it in 2-3 months. You can be making great money, and also you want to make a LinkedIn for this. So at the end of the course, and once you finish the course, you're going to be able to submit these courses to the big companies, and they're going to be able to hire you and see your resume, schedule a meeting with them, and you get hired. I highly recommend you to check out Coursera. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Honestly, one of the best websites I found in order for you to get an online job, work remotely, work an easier life, and be better at whatever you're trying to do. See you guys on the next one. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and like this video if you can. Peace.